Hello and welcome to Capstone Destination 3, the Northeast Coast, specifically New England coastline. Don't be alarmed, this placement has just been parked arbitrarily in the um, along the coast of Massachusetts near Cape Cod. The threat impending to the northeast coast of the U.S., specifically New England, is impending sea surface temperatures mixed with slowing ocean circulations and heat content. Maritime life and coastal dependent communities are in high risk of relocation or extinction. Due to anthropogenic changes within the atmosphere and the Atlantic meteoral overturning circulation, AMOC, has weakened, slowing down the movement of heat, freshwater, and carbon transfer in the northern Atlantic region. This distribution will also have significant impact on the European climate, as the circulation of fresh water will slowly decrease as a result of the increase of evaporation changes. The saltinity of the waters, coupled with less circulation of fresh water, marine life are sure to be respond. With the oceans warming, the sea level will rise as water expands. Coastlines will become increasingly submerged over time. With lower depths of the North Atlantic, there is larger range for the ocean heat content to change over the next half century. The projected trend for temperature in the New England area is between 3.2 and 0.06 degrees Celsius by 2080. This is higher than the global average and is leading to the coastal of the U.S. and the communities and the industries will see negative effects of these environmental changes are those who are dependent on the wild game that are in their waters to survive and feed their businesses. Large-scale change to the ocean temperatures, salinity, circulation will sure change the patterns of both life above and below water.